Let's look at few of them. If-else. If expressions are used for conditional execution. The values false or nil are false, and everything else are true. Here it is the simple example which is explained if-else. Notice Ruby uses else if as follows. For loop. The following example shows the way if writing a for loop. The ellipses indicate the range through which to loop. The for is terminated by an end keyword. You don't need braces for a loop. The following is the output. Notice that it stopped on 4. The number following the ellipses cause termination at the top of the loop. The 1 to 5 means 1 to but not including 5. It does not mean 1 through 5. Please remember this when using Ruby loops. Next we look at while loop. This is when you use a while loop. The while loop iterated from 4 down to 1, quitting when variable s becomes 0 and hit the while condition. Next we move to the Ruby arrays. Literal of Ruby arrays are created by placing a comma separated series of object references between square brackets. A trailing comma is ignored. This example simply shows the usage of array. We initialize the elements in the array like this. Using each operation on arrays, we go through the elements in the array. This will produce following result. Arrays have a lot of built-in features. Next we look at the method in briefly. Using def keyword, you can define your own method and give a meaningful name to your method. This is a simple method. By giving method name, you can call the method, then Ruby executes the statements in the method. Ruby allows users to pass arguments to the methods. This example shows it. When calling that method, give values to the parameters. Now we will move into the next slide. How to run Ruby. Create a Ruby program and save it by giving a name with .rb extension. To run and execute this program, we can simply do that by typing the file name and no extension. Now run the program by writing, and we get the result on screen. Let's go through the demonstration.
Hi, I'm Nirash. Okay, now we quickly look at a short demonstration and we'll see how easy when we work in with the Ruby. I will run the code using NetBeans 6.5 beta version. For that, open a new project, Ruby application. Let's say I put the name as Ruby demo. Project location I place as it is. Finish. It's creating a new project. Okay, here we go. I say welcome to the Ruby. Simply run it. Okay, welcome to the Ruby. Next I will show you how command line arguments will handle by the Ruby, and after this short period you will understand how simple the Ruby. In this program I will do get the username in command line argument and simply show it. Okay, for that let's say what is name. I declare a variable name. Get okay. Okay, let's run the program. It's asked what is your name. I said Nirash. Okay, said hi Nirash. This is, you can see just 3 lines of code to doing this task. In the next program I will show you how functions are working. I'll get a small function to do when we input 2 numbers, it simply return a multiplication of that number. Okay. Definition, and this is my definition section for my function. Let's say multiply. This is the function name. I pass 2 parameters, let's say a and b. Okay. So I get a variable. Simply get the multiplication, and okay, we end up with the a function, so we output the result. I pass 5 and 6, so answer should be 30. Let's see whether it's working correctly or not. It's give 30, so my function is correct. That is how functions are working. We can write previous function as this way also. Compare how it easy. Okay. Multiply b. Let's get a into b into b. In this I input 3 and 4, so answer should be 12. Yeah, it will give. So that is how Ruby are working. So my colleague will continue the rest of the presentation. Okay, thank you.